Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss about best site for a house buy and sell. If you own a house and you need to sell, you don't go anywhere. This buying people, you just need to affiliate programming office because who this company totally A to Z your home selling and your cash payment give you bank or cash and everything he is organizes you just sell your home totally your document and some percentage you give to this company, maybe 5% or this the 6 7 or 4% is company different way. Okay, if you live in a Europe country, Canada, America, you just use these facilities because this office is Canada and a Europe country. Okay, let's start it. Number one, Jillo. Okay, this website I'm already some ideas is here. You just buy and rent, or you also rent your home is here easily. You can see here this buy option. You need to a home. You see here this home's price and home is a beautiful photo. This is the price you can see here. This is the all of is United States and Canada, and this is also a map is shows here. This is really good, and you can also selling find your target. Find your target, your zip code, your name, and your specialized who is the specialist for your home and your device or your property. Okay, and your language, which country you can sell also, because Europe country are more of a type language, France, Germany, Greek, and maybe Hindi, Italian. You can also sell Japan. These companies always sell most of common, and this is most of a rich country. This company's office is here. This is Spain. Okay, English, Arabic, Bengali also here. You just select this from and you easily sell your home and property, and you also find a photographer. You also need this is a more of service provider, this website, I think, because that's why it is more of type you can facilities one part one get in one is more of type. Okay, let's check out this number two, Homelight, Homelight company. Homelight company, it's a California American based company. Its head office is still California. Same here, you do not need to buy to directly selling your property one by one man understanding. You just add your email address here, and this company's customer care or is authorized then contact you for selling the home. There's then you can details give for your property, which property you can sell, and you can agreement with him. This is percentage you give him. That's why this company first created this house for you, and then this company selling for this another person who is person is need to this home, because this company are marketing, online marketing for your house, online marketing, post here online for your selling house. This is a more of a marketing cost also here online. Then every people who is need to the sale, and he buy sell, that's why that's this ad show her mobile phone or a Facebook page or YouTube page. That's why he goes to these companies connected. That's then your house selling this company deal, and you give your price. He also bargaining, then why that's you come to this price. Then you need to price you some increase your price, because this price all customer are bargaining here. That's why you need to some your price is up. That's so then when your price is profitably, that's why you see some price is down. Okay, this is a hard tricks. Okay, okay, and now we check Canada home loan. Is this Canada home loan company. This is a Canadian based company. If you are a professional or a customers, you this opportunity for you selling home easily. Okay, you personal, that's you can your customer, your personal exposure, just click this here, and project founding and mortgage financing, project founding program. Support the explain affordable housing is a Toronto consumer marketing. This is the details for this company, and you can also go to this menu bar. Also is here home page. You directly go, and you are a customer. You need get the info you need. Owner home, buying home, and rental, owner home, and owner home. Manage your dealing finance. You can share this agreement for this company. Okay, this is for more of 70 hours. More of details here for agreement. You just first you can understand his details. That's why you can directly sell your house. Okay, last and redefine. Sorry, sell a home line investor. Sell a home line investor. Sorry, sell a home line investor. And this COVID, we are new purchase home in any condition is 100% virtually no home visit, new cars. This company also continue this business. You can need to this your property selling. You can contact this here. we buy house in 50 state. It's a 50 state already buying. This is really a helpful company, I think. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Thank you so much and watching my video, and please subscribe my channel. Best of luck.